legends return. Bike Updater Pro is here, and today, we're diving into the machine that's set to redefine the term muscle bike for a new era. The speculated and hotly anticipated 2026 Yamaha VMAX V4. For decades, the VMAX has stood as the undisputed king of the power cruiser segment, a motorcycle less concerned with lap times and more focused on raw, breathtaking acceleration and an unmistakable road presence. After a period of quiet anticipation, rumors and industry whispers suggest Yamaha is preparing a thunderous return for the VMAX, a complete overhaul for 2026 that not only honors the original's ferocious spirit, but also drags the legend firmly into the high-tech, high-performance future. This new generation, featuring a V4 engine and a full suite of modern electronics, isn't just a bike. It's a statement that the VMAX legacy is far from over. The heart of the beast. Next-gen V4 engine. The core of any VMAX is its engine, and for the 2026 model, speculation centers around a dramatically re-engineered V4 powerhouse. We anticipate an increase in displacement, potentially pushing the engine size up to around 1800 cc, a displacement designed to eclipse all competition and truly deliver on the hypercruiser promise. More critical than the capacity, however, is the power output. Unconfirmed reports are confidently placing the new VMAX V4 well over the 200 horsepower mark, a figure that is staggering for this class of motorcycle and would require an equally monumental torque figure, likely in the region of 170 to 180 Newton-meters, to justify its muscle bike title. This is not just a horsepower war, it's a torque battle, ensuring that the legendary arm-stretching acceleration of the VMAX remains its defining characteristic. The engineers would have focused on optimizing the V4's crossplane or similar firing order to maintain the soul-stirring, aggressive exhaust note that has always been part of the VMAX's DNA. Combining mechanical brutality with acoustic artistry, the focus is to create a refined monster, a V4 that is both savage on the throttle and compliant in modern traffic. Harnessing the power. Electronics and technology. Raw power is useless without control, and the 2026 VMAX V4 will reportedly come equipped with a superbike-level electronics package designed to manage its immense output. The original VMAX was famous for being a handful. The new one aims to be a precision instrument. Key to this is a sophisticated inertial measurement unit, or IMU, which will govern everything from cornering ABS to lean angle-sensitive traction control and wheelie control. Multiple riding modes, potentially including a dedicated launch mode, will be available, allowing the rider to instantly tailor the engine's power delivery, throttle response, and electronic intervention levels to the conditions. We expect a state-of-the-art full-color TFT display to replace the old analog setup, providing clear, customizable information, including real-time engine diagnostics, navigation cues, and smartphone connectivity via Bluetooth. This integration of advanced technology ensures that the VMAX V4 is not just a throwback muscle car on two wheels, but a thoroughly modern, safe, and rideable machine, capable of managing its epic performance. Chassis and handling, from brute to brawler. The previous VMAX, while powerful, was often criticized for its significant weight and subsequent handling limitations. Yamaha is highly likely to address this head-on for 2026. Rumors point towards a completely new lightweight aluminum frame, engineered for optimal rigidity and weight distribution. The goal is to shift the VMAX from being a straight-line specialist to a true hypercruiser, capable of surprising agility in the corners. High specification, fully adjustable suspension components are a certainty, potentially featuring electronic semi-active suspension. This cutting-edge setup would automatically adjust damping based on road surface and riding mode, offering the perfect balance between comfort on the cruise and firm support during aggressive maneuvers. Braking must be equally formidable. Expect top-tier components such as radially mounted monoblock calipers clamping large-diameter dual discs up front, all backed by that sophisticated cornering ABS system. The new chassis and suspension upgrades are the unsung heroes of this redesign, promising a motorcycle that is as thrilling to pitch into a bend as it is to launch off a red light. Design evolution. Iconic muscle reborn. Visually, the VMAX is one of the most distinctive motorcycles ever made, and the 2026 model must retain this iconic identity while adopting a sharper, more futuristic aesthetic. The aggressive, forward-canted stance, the signature air intakes that flank the faux fuel tank, and the massive rear tire are non-negotiable elements that will define the new design. However, Yamaha will modernize these cues with advanced LED lighting throughout, giving the VMAX a predatory new face. We anticipate more sculpted body panels, exposing more of the colossal V4 engine and frame to emphasize its mechanical brute force. Premium finishes, machined aluminum accents, and perhaps an optional carbon fiber package would elevate the bike's perceived quality. The ergonomics might see subtle but important refinements, balancing the aggressive, muscle bike riding position with improved long-distance comfort, proving that this beast can still be enjoyed for more than just quarter-mile bursts. The design will serve as a visual manifesto. This is a power cruiser that dominates the road from a standstill to its top speed. An unmistakable, aggressive silhouette that commands attention everywhere it rolls. Market positioning and final thoughts. The 2026 Yamaha VMAX V4 is poised to challenge the burgeoning class of high-performance power cruisers, a segment that has seen strong competition from machines like the Ducati Diavel V4 and the Triumph Rocket 3. The VMAX's legacy alone gives it an edge, but its anticipated blend of overwhelming power, next-generation electronics, and aggressive styling is what will truly set it apart. Given the rumored specifications and advanced components, this new VMAX will undoubtedly carry a premium price tag, likely starting in the low to mid-$20,000 range, positioning it as an exclusive statement of performance and heritage. While official details are still eagerly awaited, all signs point to the 2026 VMAX V4 being more than just a returning champion. It's shaping up to be a completely new force, a mechanical masterpiece that delivers a level of adrenaline-fueled excitement few other motorcycles can match. The legend of the VMAX is ready for its most powerful chapter yet.